Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to talk about COVID-19. All over Malaysia and even the world has been affected by this very dangerous epidemic that can cause thousands of human deaths. It is very small and cannot seen with the naked eyes. It is coronavirus, or better known as COVID-19. This virus has spread throughout Malaysia since March 2020. The chronology of transmission of this virus is the Malaysian Ministry of Health through the National Crisis Preparedness and Emergency Center CPRC received reports of 3 cases, 2 in Sabah and 1 in Selangor. However, the case in Sabah was confirmed negative by the Ministry of Health. 8 close contact to the first case were in Johor Bahru and quarantined for 2 weeks. Starting this case into Malaysia, this COVID-19 is increasing day by day to 3 digits and decreased slowly after the Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin decided to carry out movement control order MCO in all states in Malaysia and close the country entrance. The lowest case ever recorded in Malaysia is only 1 in a day, but soon the case increased dramatically and tragically, reaching 5 numbers in a day. Today, World Health Organization recorded 211 million cases and 4.42 million deaths. Worldwide, while in Malaysia 1.54 million cases and 13,936 deaths. It's very sad. There are many steps we can do, such as taking a shower after returning from somewhere. In addition, we are required to wear a 3-layer face mask. This face mask can be used after this face mask must be changed after 8 hours. When in a crowded place or public places, make sure follow the standard operating procedures SOP set by the government. Keep the distance from each other and use hand sanitizer after holding an object. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. Since COVID-19 hit this country, all institutional centers, factories, small shops have been closed. Only a few supermarkets are allowed to open. People are encouraged to buy and online items. By this way, we can help our country and the frontliner to curb the spread of this pandemic. They did a great job because they work hard. They work hard to treat the COVID-19 patients in the hospital. The police and other agencies keep the people from moving out the house and do unimportant thing. However, there are also people who stubborn and break this COVID and break the SOP, and so they will fine thousands of ringgit Malaysia. Day by day, more COVID-19 clusters are recorded. The factory clusters is among the largest contributors of cases in this country. It's very bad. After the vaccine introduced in the world and tested for its effectiveness, several Several types of vaccines were purchased and given free to the people. Today, as many as 9 million people complete two doses, and at least first dose were given to another 16 million people. With this vaccine, we hope this virus will disappear as soon as possible and we can live with a normal life. Thank you.